Hello everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today I'm going to be going over part 2 of my Custom Dynamics review. Today we're going to be talking about the Custom Dynamics products I have installed on the rear of the motorcycle. But before I do that, if you could, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you could do those things for me, I will get back to you. Also, as a reminder, Ty from TN and tyfromtennessee.com will redirect you to YouTube so you can subscribe from there. Thanks a lot. Let's get on with the video. Hello everyone, this is going to be part 2 of my Custom Dynamics review. In part 1, I'll put a card up here so you guys can check that out. I'll also link it at the tail end of the video. But in part 1, we went over the Custom Dynamics products that I've installed on the front of this motorcycle. Today, I'd like to do the same thing, but we're going to be talking about the Custom Dynamics products that I've installed on the rear of this Harley Davidson Street Glide 2020. Where we'll start out with the blinkers, right, or the turn signal indicators. Some of the information that I'm going to tell you, I'm going to reiterate that I did in the first video, but I think these go for $219 a pair on Custom Dynamics website. And when I say pair, I mean front and rear, so for that cost you get both. You can choose the red or the smoked lens. I think I went with smoked on the front, and red I wanted to stay on the back just to stay uniform with all the coloring here. As far as difficulty level was really no problem on these. As I said before, from the factory, the OEM, you have one little halogen bulb that you have to turn and pop out. The Custom Dynamics piece sits back in the blinker once you make your connection, and then I think from there all I had to do was use a flathead screwdriver to push in and kind of get the seal around so the cover would snap on. But other than that, it is a great product. This is one of those things that I believe is so important because it provides high visibility when the turn signals are going. Vehicles behind you are going to be able to see if they're paying any attention at all. All right, next I wanted to talk about these low profile sequential turn signals from Custom Dynamics. You can get these off the Custom Dynamics website for right around $169 for the pair. They are bright, they promote high visibility. These are an absolute great product. You combine these with the Magic Strobe from Custom Dynamics that we'll be looking at in just a few minutes, and you've got an outstanding combination. It's a really great product. When it comes to the installation of these, it really wasn't too bad. These LED turn signals do have adhesive on the back of them, so make sure you've got it lined up exactly where you want it before you commit and stick that on there. That was probably the thing that I struggled with the most. Also, these lights have some quick lock connectors, so if you're going to take your saddlebag on and off, if you've got to get to the battery or for any other purpose, you can disconnect those and reconnect those pretty quick. All right, let's go over the Tribar next. This Tribar, out of the 3 items that you see here, plus the Magic Strobe, this one was by far the most difficult for me to do. And it's no fault of Custom Dynamics. I really don't think it's any fault of Harley. It's just my low area of expertise in this, and it's just the way that it was designed. But it was really difficult to get to the bolts that held the Tribar, the original OEM Tribar, on, and then to get the Custom Dynamics piece on there. It just took a lot of work. Now the cool thing about the Tribar is it doesn't do turn, but it does do run and brake. On more than one occasion, what I'll do if I'm stopped at a light and another car is coming up behind me, I just give the brakes a little tap, and you'll be able to see the different patterns that the Magic Strobe can do. All right, lastly, the product that I wanted to show you guys is the Custom Dynamics Magic Strobe. You can get this product from Custom Dynamics website for about $89, and it is the piece that actually brings everything together to give you that strobe effect. I know it looks like everything's a mess here, but it's kind of daisy chained together. If you follow the directions, it's really not that difficult to put together. But anyway, right here, this knob, there's probably 7 to 9 different settings that you can choose. A bunch of different variety. You can kind of pick whatever's best for you. It is a great product. If you're wanting the LEDs, I would highly recommend the Magic Strobe. It kind of pulls everything together of all the Custom Dynamics pieces, and it's really easy to install. Hides under your seat. There's lots of tutorial videos out there that'll guide you in the right direction of how to get that installed. So as we're taking one last look of the Custom Dynamics products that I have installed on this motorcycle, I wanted to thank you guys very much for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and I promise I'll get back with you. Thank you guys very much and have a great day.